Hello everyone, welcome to the Forge of Leather, Wood and Steel. And today is my second time and I will work in my forge. Firstly I need to make this forge comfortable enough to work in it. So the first impression for you probably will not be the best one, but this is my second time, so I will do my best to make all this forge to become the best one. So I will start from disassemble this one piece of I don't know even how to say, but it's very old and it's smelly because it's not mine. It was here before, so I will just take this upper part. It's good enough for me, and I will make it like a turnable table over here. So for the beginning, I would say it will be okay, because every start is hard for everyone. So okay, let's do this. It's a 6th of August. It's about 1:30 p.m. of course. So okay, let's get started.